It is Monday. Or it's supposed to be the last day of our lockdown because it got extended. A lot of people are saying that that's not going to happen. But regardless, we've been staying motivated, doing some exercise over the past 2 days. We've gotten back into it. Still not getting up early though, but you know, trying to get some routine back into my life. We did a massive day of cleaning yesterday. I have a Zoom interview today, which is very exciting. And I've just done my hair and makeup, so I'm feeling, you know, a little bit more motivated. Preparing myself for the interview, trying to look presentable. I'll be wearing a blazer to look a bit better. And I've just been like writing questions and practicing some answers that I might have to questions that they might have for me. And it's really difficult because although I studied recruitment and human resource management, and I should have taken a lot more on board than I did, I just, when I'm in the moment before an interview, I really struggle to imagine what questions they would ask me and ramble with my answers. So I'm kind of freaking out, but I'm feeling good about this one. I've got a really awesome advice document from the recruitment agency that set me up for this interview. She gave me all these resources to help me structure my answers better. Spring clean, full swing. This is embarrassing that we have this much stuff, plus everything that's in the wardrobe. God. We have made so much progress. So this is stuff that we'll either send to a recycle boutique or sell on. This is stuff that we're gonna donate and give away. And then all the cupboards are just very bare and organized. Love to see it. It's good though. Jackson's eating like a big boy this morning.
I'm skinny, but I eat big.
You're pretty, but your forehead big though. See you. Just a second. bye.